everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a 2022 iHeart Revolution Christmas gift set for you. This one I picked up from ASOS for £5. It does retail at £10 and it's a bubble bath and bath fizzer set. It's called the iHeart Revolution Candy Sleep Set. It's got a bubble bath in it and a bath fizzer as well. Candy Sleep Set to me was very inviting. I love sweet scents. The packaging was very cute, very excited to pick it up, and let's see what's inside. There is a little sneak peek in the top there, so let's open it and have a look. As soon as I've opened the box I can smell it. It's lovely. That's what it looks like inside. You're getting some cute little teal coloured packaging string in there to match the lid of the bottle, so let's dive in. That smells so nice. It definitely smells like sweets. It's very nice. That is the bath bomb there, or bath fizzer. It's a pastel pink with little white bits in it as well. I feel like this is a good one. You could probably snap it in half if you want to get more use out of it. I love anything sweet. I'm a big fan of the Lush Snow Fairy, so when I saw this I thought this is probably going to be my kind of thing. It does smell really nice. The next item is the bubble bath. It's shaped like a cloud, which is very cute. Oh, that's really nice. It's like this. This is quite big actually. I'm glad with the size of that. This is what the packaging looks like. It says marshmallow cloud on it. I love marshmallow scented things. I do get quite a lot of the Imperial leather products that smell like marshmallow, so I'm very excited about this. Again, the packaging looks really nice, really aesthetic, really Christmassy with the snowflakes on it. It's just going to look very cute on your bath, which I like about iHeart Revolution. They do really think about everything. Let's sniff you. Ooh, you got a Sealy Peely on the top. That smells like lollipops. I'm also getting candy floss vibes as well, but I don't know. It says marshmallow, but I guess it's all made of the same thing, sugar. That's what it looks like here, and it's just a really nice colour as well. It smells amazing. I'm very excited to use this tonight. I will be popping these next to my bath and just getting some use out of them, and I think overall this is a really nice little gift set. For £5, I think this would make a really nice present for somebody, especially if they love iHeart Revolution, or if you want to give them a little pamper set. I think this would cheer anybody up if they're having a bad day as well, and I personally love baths. They're my go-to thing. If I'm stressed, if I'm sad, even if I'm happy and I want to celebrate, I'll get in the bath. It's just a very relaxing time for me. Products like this would make the best present for me, and I'm sure other people would love them as well. That was my unboxing of the Candy Sleep Set. I really love it. I feel like it's a really cute little item. I was very happy to get it for £5. I think it's well worth it for that, and it would just make a really nice present for somebody. Well done, iHeart Revolution. I really like it. That was everything in the Candy Sleep Set. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more Christmas videos, then please subscribe. I know it's very early, but I love getting these beauty products and just enjoying them and sharing them, because that's what it's all about. And sometimes you want to have a look and see if you like the look of something before you buy it yourself, so these videos might be useful for you if you're going sort of Christmas gift hunting. But I think this is a really lovely set, especially for £5. Very happy. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.